Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and putting on eye protection. This prevents sparks and protects you. Once done, make sure refrigerant is recovered or evacuated by a certified unit before opening the system because moisture ruins the A/C. Next, raise the Mazda 3 and support it on stands, then remove the belly pan and release the serpentine belt so the compressor is accessible. These actions expose mounting bolts and hose fittings so you can begin unbolting safely. You'll now label and disconnect electrical connectors and refrigerant lines, capping both ends to avoid contamination. This protects the system. After that, unbolt the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the unit, remove the belt tensioner, then slide the compressor out. Take care with the weight. Transfer the clutch and pulley if the new compressor is fresh, and replace receiver dryer and all O-rings with OE-specified types. Finally, apply correct oil charge into the compressor per Mazda specs before installing the new unit. You'll reinstall the compressor, torque mounting bolts to Mazda specs, and reconnect lines using new O-rings to prevent leaks. Make sure electrical plugs are secure. Once assembled, evacuate the system with a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture, then perform a leak check and recharge refrigerant to the exact spec on the label. Start the engine, verify cold air and clutch engagement, and monitor high/low pressures. If pressures are off or no cool air, check for leaks at fittings and correct oil charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.